Welcome back to my channel. My name is Olivin Kirate and this is Olivin Kirate Rebranded. So guys, I'm back with the crypto content. In today's video, I want to share with you how my dad's portfolio is profitable even before the bull market. Before I dive in straight into the video, I have a special free online crypto event happening on 5th December from 7 to 8 p.m. and I'd like you to come. So what is this event about? Crypto. We are going to be answering questions about cryptocurrency, helping you guys get started on my favorite platform, Binance, and I'd like you guys to come through because you'll be able to have a chance to talk to me one-on-one on matters crypto, Binance, investing and all that good stuff. Kindly fill in the form in the description box below. Looking forward to have you guys on there. Don't forget guys, please schedule it on your calendar, 5th December from 7 to 8 p.m. So I've been talking to my dad and telling him how he should invest in crypto. One fateful day in 2022, around August, I just saw an M-Pesa message. My dad had wired me about 100,000 Kenya shillings. I have finally caved in. Kindly invest for me and let's see how it goes. Now, before I get comments of you guys asking me, so Olive, do you actually invest for people? Can you please invest for me? My answer is no, guys. I don't invest for people. I only just invest for my mom and dad. I rather be a coach and trainer and educate you so that you can be able to make this investment for yourself and be able to make money for yourself. Before we continue far on with this video, I'd like to put a disclaimer that guys, I am not a certified financial advisor in any way. Therefore, nothing in this video is financial advice on how to go about your investments. Please do seek a financial advisor for that. I am a girl who just shares her experience in crypto and hopefully you also learn from my experience and get to enjoy the returns that I make. With that being said guys, let's get on with the video. So in 1 year guys, his investment has already grown by $350 and it is not even the bull market, it is not even the bull run yet, and we are in the green zone. So for me, that's a plus. Now you're probably wondering, Olive, how did you do it? Let me explain to you guys the 3 steps I took to make my dad's portfolio profitable. Reason number 1 is I took the time to understand and learn about the crypto market's trends, also known as technical analysis. Technical analysis studies past market data to project future price movements of digital assets. I have this chart that I'm showing you guys right now on the screen. That is a cryptocurrency market trend chart that I made so that you guys would understand how this helped me make my dad's investment. Now, once you look at this chart, you can see guys, there's an up and then there's a down and then there's an up and then there's a down and then there's an up and then there's a down, and it goes on and on and on. Basically, all markets have an up and a down. Stock markets, share markets, any market that is a market has a moment where it goes up and there's a time that it goes down. So guys, from the chart, it is clear that after a bull run, the price of the digital coins start to retrace downward slowly. And you can see guys that as soon as we enter a bull run, literally once we hit the all-time high in terms of price, the price starts to retrace downwards, and it continues and continues slowly until it reaches a point where it now kind of stabilizes at that price, and now we are officially in a bear market. And using this knowledge, you can already tell that the best time to invest in cryptocurrency is at the lowest price, at the bear market, at the complete downward retracing. And you can see for us, it was right after 2021. So right after 2021 in November, we entered 2022, and the whole of 2022 guys, the price was retracing slowly. So for this context, I'm going to refer to Bitcoin because it has the largest market capitalization. So if you look at Bitcoin's price, once we hit the all-time high of $68,000, it started to retrace down slowly, and it goes down, 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 down until we reach like the bottom of the bottom, right? And basically in this stage, this is where I purchased for my dad. The period at which the price is like at the complete bottom is referred to as a bear market, and this is when the price action is at its lowest and the demand for cryptocurrency is as well very, very low, making it the most favorable time to actually invest in cryptocurrency. currency. Now, unfortunately, most people are never interested about cryptocurrency during this time, yet it is ideally the best time for you to invest, and that is what I did. Despite the lack of crypto excitement and crypto interest during this time, I invested because data showed me that this was the best time, even using the past years. And now that past years are used for reference is what I refer to as technical analysis. So I'm making this decision not based off emotions, I'm making this decision based off technical analysis of studying the market trend and seeing, oh, this has happened before, it is going to probably likely happen again. And we know it is not guaranteed, but the likelihood is there, and therefore you use the data to guide your decisions. Second thing I did that helped my dad's portfolio be in the green even before the bull run is investing using the DCA strategy. Now, if you are a student of mine, I have talked about this in my classes, particularly the crypto expert class. I do have crypto classes, www.onrafrica.com. We even have an offer running during this period, so definitely if you're looking to learn about crypto, do check us out. So in the expert class, I did teach different types of ways you can invest into crypto, but one of my favorite ways is DCA. DCA basically means dollar cost average, and what it does is you have a fixed amount, but you invest it at particular intervals regardless of the price action of the asset. So regardless if today Bitcoin is at 30,000 and tomorrow Bitcoin is at 40,000 and tomorrow Bitcoin is at 10,000, DCA basically says I have X amount of money, and every other month on this date I will be investing X amount into Bitcoin. The reason why I like DCA is for reasons. One, you reduce the impact of market volatility. Two, it helps you average out your buying cost. You'd buy, let's say, Bitcoin in August, like I did, then September, then November. What it does is it gives you an average buying price of your assets instead of just buying all at once. Three is it helps you grow your investments over time and not have the pressure to invest all at once, especially if you'd like to see how the price action is behaving. And mainly because most of us in the space, we are not aware if the bottom is really the bottom or it could go lower. Sometimes you don't even know if, okay, yeah, we've reached the bottom, but is the bottom bottoming or could we go bottomer? You know what I mean? So yeah. And then finally, it improves your chances of averaging out your investment with better returns. You can never time the market. It is very impossible for you to wake up and say, I know today the markets will be at this price. So you might decide, let me not buy now because I know we'll go lower, but we end up never going lower. So with DCA, you remove the expectations of the market being at a certain price every other time because you're constantly buying in small bits and pieces and increasing your portfolio as you go. Also, guys, it would be important for you to note that the strategies you use to buy your crypto are pretty much the same strategies you use to sell. So when it comes to selling, you can also decide to sell all at once. BTC reaches the new all-time high and you decide, you know what, let me just sell everything. But then there are people who would also DCA their investments out. So basically every small, every small increment we get in, you keep removing your assets, removing your assets, removing your assets. Final strategy I used is I stopped refreshing the tab. I am not a day trader. So in crypto, there are many people who probably day trade, where every other day you're putting trades for different coins, right? And there are also swing traders who are in and out. I'm kind of a long-term swing trader. So basically, I buy my cryptos for the long term, wait for the markets to do well, and then I come out of the markets. And then when the markets are bad, I go back in. And then when the markets are good, I'm out, I'm out. So it's always in and out for me. And this is the second time I'll be in the crypto markets consistently. I'm also learning that depending on the type of investor you intend to be for cryptocurrency, this tip might be different for you. So for me, I basically invest and I forget about it, guys. I invest and I forget. Let me tell you, I remember people on my Instagram were like, Olive, you were talking so much about crypto in 2020 and 2021. Why are you so silent in 2022 and 2023? It's because, guys, I don't know what else to say. Like, I've invested and I forgot about it. So what are we talking about? Okay, guys, if I was in the crypto markets daily, guys, if I was like, guys, look at my shirt. I'm a hodler. guys. I hold for the long term and then I sell, and then I go back in and then I buy, and then, you know. So for me, I invest and I forget about it, and that's the same thing I did with my dad's portfolio. 2022, I did a lot of investments, even for my own portfolio, for my dad's portfolio, and I forgot, guys. I went mute, went back to my life, trying to build ONR, build my business, you know, content creation and all that jazz. So what happens is you don't realize time flying because you're not constantly refreshing the tab. If you're a holder, if you're a hodler, basically gives me peace of mind, because I don't want to know every other day, how far have we gone? How much have I made today? How much have I lost today? Okay, which coin was up today? Which coin was not up? I'm not a day-by-day trader or a short-term trader. I'm very much a long-term trader. So for me, this keeps my mind out of the markets 24/7. So I last checked my dad's portfolio in December 2022. November 2023, I checked it and I'm just like, wow, $350 increase in the investment in 1 year. Please show me an investment that can do that for your money. Please do. That's crypto for you. So I go to my dad's portfolio and I see, oh my God, we are $350 up 1 year later. You see what I mean, guys? So basically for me, I like investing and forgetting and just coming back when the markets have revived. That's just how I choose to do it. And I would only advise this for people who are long-term holders, and especially when it's a bear market. To be honest, there's nothing much you can do if you're a long-term holder. It's just look. So the only reason I even picked in 2023 is because in 2023, around September, October, now the prices for cryptocurrency have started retracing up in preparedness for a bull market in maybe end of 2024, 2025. So basically, if you're looking to invest, guys, the time is now. And I hope you're going to invest with Binance, my preferred platform. The prices will start to go up, and then we can potentially hit an all-time high end of 2024, beginning 2025, thereabout. So you can also be in profits if you invest now. Obviously, the best prices were last year in 2022, end of 2022, when we were in a complete bear market. But even in 2023, the markets were fairly okay, so still a good time to invest. Anyway, that's how I did it for my dad. And simple, right? Investing in crypto is pretty straightforward, and what I've learned is with the right mentor, ONR, and with the right information, Binance, right, you can build wealth easily and silently. Okay, in crypto we are diamond hands. We shh about our investments. I'd like you guys to let me know down below your crypto predictions. I really like seeing people creating their own speculations and predictions on the crypto markets. Please do let me know down below in my comments what you guys think the prices will be at. I personally think BTC will finally reach 100K. People were hyping it last bull market, but guys, it would have been a stretch to reach 100K, but I think in this bull market, the one that's coming, we might reach 100K on BTC. So guys, let me know your thoughts. Anyway, before I leave you guys, I hope you've enjoyed the 3 steps or the 3 ways I was able to make my dad's portfolio profitable. Basically, this is 3 ways you can also make your portfolio profitable. Don't forget to learn about the crypto trends, DCA an amount that you're willing to invest into the space, and just forget about it. Don't keep looking at the markets every day, because you're gonna just be mentally overwhelmed for nothing. I hope I'll be seeing you guys on December 5th from 7 to 8 p.m. I'll be having a training, a free training courtesy of Binance. Binance wants us to learn about cryptocurrency, but learn it the right way and learn it in a way that also helps us grow our assets efficiently and effectively. And they are spearheading education first, and I like that about them. So courtesy of Binance on December 5th, guys, from 7 to 8 p.m. I'll be having a live training. I hope I'll see you guys there. Don't forget to fill in the form, Google form, in my description box, and then we can learn about Binance, the platform, answer all your crypto questions, and have an amazing session of learning. Now, if you want to learn more about the world of crypto, I have a couple of videos you should watch. Firstly, to better prepare yourself in buying your crypto from my preferred platform, Binance, and actually urge you to watch this video on creating an account on Binance. Check it out. It'll help you understand how to create your account, how to sign up on the platform, how to get your account verified. So guys, watch this video, check it out, and I'll see you there in just a second.